Welcome to my channel. We about to get lit. Don't forget to double tap, like my pic. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. Popping out glitter. Come to my channel. Got the mug bumps. Got the get ready. Chit chat story time. Like my pic. Comment, subscribe, share, follow. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hey you guys, so welcome to the Candy House, and I'm just back with another video. Nothing special, nothing major. I'm just showing you guys how I'm styling my thin ass, bald headed ass hair. But no, for real, if you're struggling with hair shortage, damage, whatever you want to call it, I just do hairstyles for girls that probably have hair problems or hair period, because I feel like I could do hair, but I'm just showing you guys how I put my wig on. Yes, this is a full middle part wig, but I'm actually trying to style it different. What you see right there, that super bond weaving glue, I mixed it with my granilla snot, and as you can see, it's the got to be glue free sprays, and I feel like it makes my edges last for like 24 hours. I'm sorry if I sound weird the way I'm talking. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm coming out with good information and facts that I want to say. And I also want to make better videos because I feel like my videos aren't that good. But if you do watch my videos, I hope that you learn something from it. But all in all, like I said, I struggle with my hair trying to grow. I just feel like my hair is at a good stage now, and I'm hoping that it does grow. So, like I said, you don't have to do these hairstyles. You could like be like, oh well, we don't care. But honestly, if you do watch my videos, I hope that they do work out. And these are just my ways. Like I said, I put my wigs on. I know everybody have their own way how they put their wigs on, but this is just the things that I do to feel comfortable and to feel good, honestly. And as you can see, I can flat iron actually these hair pieces. Well, my wigs, they are human hair and synthetic blend. With this one, some of the tracks I did sew in myself because the wig was getting thin, and I bleached and dyed them myself. But like I said, this is just how I maintain them and style my hair, and I feel like I do a good job. So if you do come across a video, like I said, please like, comment, share, even comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think I could do better. Tips to like help me with my hair to grow. But all in all, I don't know. I'm just saying, like, yeah. And the flat iron was real hot. Like, not even trying to cap. It was hurting low key because my hands, fingertips was burning. But like I said, I want to know your ideas too. Let me know how you style your hair and what you do. But this wig, I can curl it. And I guess I just wanted to flat iron it because I haven't been doing my hair straight. And I wanted to show you guys that, yes, with the synthetic and human hair blend, even synthetic hair, you can flat iron it. And you could decorate your hair any type of ways. But like I said, just let me know your ideas and let me know what you feel and tap in. One day you stand in the middle of the road and you don't know where you're going. All of a sudden your whole life changes. Life finally gives you something bad.